Say hi, Tito. You say hi, Tito. How about Lian? Ay! Stand up! Tito, this is Mirmir. There's Lian. This is our house, Tito. That one. That's our room. This is Tita's room. Lian! Lian! Hi, say hi. Hi.
I'm playing basketball.
Using what ball is that? That's a tennis ball.
Tennis ball, Tita.
And Lian wants to get all the balls. See, Tito, Lian's walking. Wait, Mir. Yay! No, wait. Let her have that one. Oh, you say bye-bye to Tito.
Bye-bye, Tita.
Bye. Say bye. Lian.
Bye-bye, Tita.
Bye.
Bye.
This is our house, Tito. See? It's dark. I will turn on the lights. There. There's Mommy. Mommy, you say hi to Tito. Mommy!
Hi. Hi.
It's a little bit dark.
Kaya mamaya may kapalit na may tura.
Yan yung table nating round table. This is Papa's clothes. He came here, I think, the other day, and then yesterday he left going to Maribeles. He's most of the times in Surigao, and then coming back here every now and then, maybe like once a month or once every 2 months. That's Lian's favorite cat. She wants to touch it, but she could barely get hold of that cat. There. See? See, Tito? Lian's chasing the cat. See, she gets excited when she sees that cat down there.